We are friends with him, we are brothers.
But still, I want to beat him, he wants to beat me.
Your attempt today got a total of 4 meters and 30. But you had to beat Kelvin's record. You got a total of 4 meters and 45.
With all the machines, I won. Woo! Thank you, bye-bye.
The first throw for me was a little bit, I don't know,
Wobbly.
Wobbly. Every time when I will through the wash machine, he was wobbling my hand and he go in the round, and that was for me what not good.
My first throw was my the best one. No, yeah, the second best one, because my last throw was the longest, but I stepped over the line. So, but the first one was that who counts.
I think people like it that you
Smash
with stuff.
Smash stuff,
and it
break
go
stuff.
Out, breaks and yeah.
We like it. So
We are one family. We are one big family. We are friends. We're brothers.
we will always help each other.
Yeah.
If he forgot his wrist wraps or something, he borrows mine, and vice versa. But still, I want to beat him. He wants to beat me. But we're still very good friends.
Yeah.
It was awesome, of course. Not only to beat Kelvin. It's always a privilege to me to beat Kelvin, because he's the #1 in Champions League, and every time we compete each other, so sometimes I have one event I can beat him in, but otherwise he's always beating me. So beat him today, it was very nice. And then to beat Sudrunas, that's awesome, honestly.
I think I go to my mother and I take the machine, and then
You go crazy.
and I go the whole family and I take all the machines, and then I can throw a little bit more.